Ay. Look. Baby girl love my bop and unlike me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, they ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you? Baby girl love my bop and unlike me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, they ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you? Big flex, my swole up. Double cup and I'm pulled up. Hating like hold up. What's the problem? I'm pulled up. Big flex, my swole up. Hard body, they fold up. Shawty say I done glowed up. Double text on my phone up. With your boy, I'm the man of the year. I'm not a fan of your peers. Serve him a fate, I'ma hand him the shears. He not the man of your peers. Heart of a lion, I'm trampling fears. I love the man in the mirror. Cry me a river to stand in the tears. You better stand in the clear. I'm going crazy, fugazi. How would they ever go with a kid? Put it on, baby. You do not faze me, boy. I do not get with you. If I ain't never split a bill with you, I got Hennessy and horchata. Baby girl wearing nada. Growing from a cider. Bad robe in his Prada.
Hello. Cannaman, please. You've got to help. They said there's nothing that can be done to save her. Chief, calm down. Where are you? We're at the hospital, Cannaman, please. You've got to hurry. We don't know how long she's got left. Don't worry, Chief. I know exactly what will help. Please, Cannaman, you've got to hurry. Everything's going to be fine. Come here, you wee beauty. Now let's go and save a life. That's just stuff. I'm sorry, sir. I've told you already. There's nothing we can do. Our hands are tied. You've tied your hands yourself. You people get paid too much to do too little.
Sweetheart, please. They've done all they can.
All they've done is fill you with pills. That's all they've done. Line their own pockets. Sir, I completely understand your frustration, but... What nothing. I've had it with giving Big Pharma a profit. I've called for help. And help has arrived. Come on, open, you stubborn bastard. Oh, I shouldn't have had that joint walking up the stairs. Who exactly are you? I'm Cannaman, motherfucker. Oh look, this woman's tumour is going to be destroyed with this. Cannabinoids in this oil will naturally interact with the endocannabinoid system, stimulating the central nervous system, whilst breaking down cancerous cells through the process of apoptosis. Now we're talking. One drop is all that's needed to start the process. Don't worry, darling. You're going to be fine.
Oh, my body's starting to feel a bit funny.
Think of a blue personality or red personality?
Let's get these bastards.
Ouch, my reading eye!
Ah!
I never saw Paris.
More the cannabinoids.
This is the worst first date ever.
Get amongst it.
I hate this job.
Get amongst these bastards. We're almost at the blood-brain barrier. Keep going. Gah. There you are, you big bastard. Use a reactivation cellular death rays. We're almost there. I can see the endocannabinoid system.
Are you okay, darling? How do you feel?
I feel wonderful. It's like I've had a vitamin B12 shot.
I can't believe it. All your signs seem to be indicating that you have no malignant cancers in your body. Surprise! Cannabis strikes again.
You've saved my wife. What can I ever do to repay you?
You can release all the cannabis prisoners and change the law so no person is ever prosecuted for cannabis ever again.
Consider it done. Thank you, Cannaman.
Don't thank me. Thank nature's miracle cure. Now let's medicate.